If you are spending hours scraping dead emails from Google searches, you are probably crying into your cold coffee by noon. LeadPilot AI claims to fix this forever. It promises to find hot local leads and write personalized pitches without expensive monthly fees. Let us see if it's actually true. Hey everyone, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. I've spent over 6 years testing marketing tools that promise the moon and deliver a rock. Today, we're doing an honest review of LeadPilot AI. Real results, no fluff, just the hard truth. If you decide to grab this software during the launch, use my link below this video. I've put together some exclusive bonuses that will actually help you make money with this tool. Details are in the description. So what exactly is LeadPilot AI? It's a brand new lead generation software built for agency owners and freelance marketers. It uses a very smart artificial intelligence model called Claude Fable 5. The main promise is simple. It acts like your own personal digital hunting dog. It finds local businesses that need your help. Then it writes the exact email you need to send them. You get a full client pipeline without paying a virtual assistant thousands of dollars a month. The sales page says it takes 3 dead simple steps. Let us break them down right now. Step 1 is the setup. You just type a niche into the search bar, like Chicago dentists or Miami roofers. It's literally easier than ordering a pizza. Step 2 is the core action. The AI scans the live web. It pulls verified contact details and scores the leads based on quality. No computer science degree required here. Step 3 is the result. The AI writes a custom outreach message for every single lead on that list. Boom, you have a pipeline ready for profit. You just copy the text and send it out. Let's talk about what actually moves the needle here. Here's what I really like about this tool. First is the real-time web scraping. Most cheap lead tools sell you old recycled database files. Half the emails bounce and ruin your domain. This tool scans the live web right now. That means fewer dead ends and a much safer sender reputation. Second is the automatic weakness detection. This is the killer feature in my opinion. The AI actually looks at the local business online. It finds out if they have a bad website or terrible Google reviews. Then it uses that specific problem as your opening angle. It's the ultimate foot in the door strategy. Third is the done-for-you personalized pitches. It writes the cold email for you perfectly. It references their actual business name and real problems. It doesn't look like a spammy mass template. People reply when they feel like you did your homework. This saves you hours of boring writing every single week. Let's talk money and compare the options. Right now, the front-end price is just $14. It's a one-time payment. Think about the crazy expensive alternatives. LinkedIn Sales Navigator costs almost $100 every single month. Other scraping tools bleed you dry with hidden monthly limits. You end up paying thousands a year just to look at contact lists. With LeadPilot AI, you pay once and own the system forever. It's a total steal for the data alone, but you really have to move fast before the launch window closes. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Now for the reality check regarding the upgrades. Once you buy the $14 version, you'll hit a massive 8-step upsell maze. I'm going to save you some serious time right now. You do not need all 8 upgrades to make this work. Here's my honest advice. If you want to scale hard and sell leads to other people, grab OTO1 for $46. This is the unlimited edition. It removes the daily caps on searches and data exports. If you're a tech nerd like me who loves automations, you might want OTO3 for $97. This unlocks webhooks and advanced scheduling. You can plug it straight into your custom workflows. Skip the rest of the funnel unless you want a ready-made agency business handed to you. I put this concept through my usual torture test. Here's my honest take. The integration with Claude Fable 5 is very smart. That specific AI model is fantastic at writing natural-sounding text. It makes the cold emails sound like a real human wrote them, not a robot. If you're trying to land local clients, getting the first meeting is the hardest part. This software takes all the heavy lifting out of the boring research phase. I built a quick list of local contractors in just a few minutes. The website weaknesses it found were highly accurate. It gives you extreme confidence when you finally hit that send button. But let's be completely clear about what this is not. This is not a magic money button that closes deals while you sleep. LeadPilot AI is an amazing data finding and writing tool, but you'll still need to actually send the emails. If you're lazy and expect clients to just magically wire you money without you doing any follow-up work, keep scrolling. You'll still need an external sending tool to safely blast these campaigns. This tool requires you to actually take action on the hot leads it generates. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You open your laptop and you don't have to spend 3 hours hunting for fresh prospects. You already have 50 qualified leads waiting for you. They're complete with phone numbers and a custom pitch already written out. You just click send and watch the replies roll in. That's exactly what LeadPilot AI unlocks for your business. The link is right below this video. Remember, that $14 launch pricing will not last long. It goes up to a heavy monthly fee very soon. Got any questions about the software or the crazy upsell funnel? Drop a comment below. I answer all of them. Hit that like button if this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews. Kamal from TestedApps.com signing off.